I am Patrick Nuesser. I work at Serpentini Chevrolet in Willoughby. It's good. Been learning a lot actually.
How about your efficiency? Have you felt your efficiency getting better because time is money in this industry?
It has. It has. It's I think you know the more you know, the better you'll get.
Is this something that has really sharpened some of your skills you already had too?
Once I moved up here, honestly, I've had to deal with more issues. Let's just say it that way. But one of them was the amount of rust, and so I'm learning new things, how to deal with rust and all that. So having hands-on work and dealing with cars up here, it's makes it a lot easier and learn more.
What would you like to say to them?
Uh, make it better, keep improving, give us more hours.